So this is what I have done. TCS revenue I have, okay, and I have the dividend payout also. Okay. Now if I create a scatter plot, okay, or a line chart, okay, let's see what happens. Okay. So I say insert, okay, line chart. Let's say we can do line chart. We'll do, or whatever. Let's say line chart. Okay. So see this what is happening. So you have this. We can change this. We can say select data, edit, and we can have 2008. Okay. So you have this revenue is there because revenue is in crores, crores. Okay, where the dividend is in percentage. So with respect to the crore, this percentage is very small value. It is looking like a straight line. Okay. So can we plot both of them on this chart? Okay. So you would have seen some places that you have a chart like this double Y. So you have one axis which is sales crore, and we have another axis which is dividend, and it is in percentage. Actually we want to create the same thing in Excel. So one chart we have two Y axis, one is in crores and one is in percentage. So we can do that. What we'll do is we'll select this. We have to be careful in selection. Okay. Yeah, we are able to select the dividend and we say format data series. Okay. So when you see the series option, first option, this plot series on primary axis and secondary axis. So please note that this, the left one is the primary axis. Okay. The left one is the primary axis and the right one will be the secondary axis. So I don't want this to be plot on the primary axis. I'll say secondary axis and I say close. So see, by default, okay, automatically the secondary axis is selected for you. Okay. Right? And the dividend is there. So we can see that, okay, sales is growing, but there is no pattern of dividend. Okay, so dividends were low, high, some zigzag pattern is coming. So there is no, and then it is kind of stabilized. Okay, but nowhere the dividend was lower than 20%. So I can change this percentage here by formatting axis. Right? So we can say I want it to minimum is, let's say, 0.2. Okay, and maximum it never touched beyond 80. I'll say it will be, let's say, 0.81. Okay, and then I can close it. So I can see the trend much better. Okay, the fluctuation much better I can see. So revenue is like growing, but the dividend rates are fluctuating. Okay, so this is your double Y axis chart. Okay, it can be done using the scatter plot also. Okay, it can be, we have used the line chart, but it can be done using the scatter plot also. So I gave you example of line. I can create using the scatter also. Let's see here, revenue. So see, this was a scatter. You just say right click, format data series, make it a secondary axis. Okay, right? And then if you want, you can change the chart type, you scatter, you can make it like this. Okay. Please note that this I have, and then okay, you have to do it again, format data series, make it on the secondary axis. Like this you can get, right? I would prefer a scatter chart as compared to a line chart. Scatter is much better. And then all those value, all those design, layout, etc. will remain the same. Okay, so this is called as a double Y.